What is up, guys? It is Crosscuts, and today we have a new addition to our lawn care setup. I've watched videos of other YouTubers saying that they use this 90% of the time because of liabilities, and they also say it's much easier to use than a weed whacker when you're taking care of the edges on a property. So today we're gonna see what this looks like, and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys real quick. Open it up, put this down right there. And the first thing I see, pull it out, and here it is. Just comes like this. Let's see. Cancer and reproductive harm. So we're just gonna go straight to the edger attachment, and let's see what else is down inside this box. Hefty operator's manual for such a small piece of equipment. Let's see what this manual has to say. So of course, the safe operating instructions, all these international symbols of danger and pain, more instructions on how to use it. Read the manuals, that's what I'm doing. Clear the work area, keep a firm grip, keep a solid stance, and avoid hot surfaces. A description of the actual product, more edger operation techniques, maintenance for the edger, how to remove and replace an edger blade, product registration, and tons of other stuff that we don't need to worry about right now. And let's see if there's anything else inside the box. Let's look inside the manual and see what it has to say about those. The Echo product you purchased has been factory pre-assembled for your convenience. After opening the carton, check for damage. Immediately notify your retailer or Echo dealer if damaged or missing parts. Use the contents list to check for missing parts. We have the power edger attachment. We have the operator's manual, warranty registration cards inside. We have split pin, storage hook assembly, and the assembly tool. We're all set. This is what it looks like, and we're gonna give you some short clips of it being used. Okay, so we're gonna take one more shot at this thing to kind of clean this up, and we'll see what the result is afterwards. there you go, folks. That's it. And I'm just gonna get some of this dirt off the edge and show you the after.